Right, here we are at Wilko's today, doing some bargain hunting for our next craft projects. One of the first things that we popped our eyes on.
I rather liked these.
How much are they?
£5 for 3. Hessian
that's pretty good.
vegetable storage. It used to be that you could never get these.
No, I've looked for them online
I know,
before.
and they're really expensive.
Now the only shame is
They are printed.
there is a print of vegetables on it, but I don't know if it's on both sides.
Not sure, but it makes a kind of nice decorative item in its own right, I
It's
think.
good for staging.
I do like it.
Nice for covering old rustic garden seats as well.
They've got the Hessian, it's almost like a shopping basket, but you know, like a rectangular planter there.
How much?
£4.
£4.
£4. But I'm
It's a
definitely
bargain.
liking those.
Yeah.
Haven't seen those around.
Pretty
for
cheap
years.
Hessian stuff. We found these wooden planter sticks, which I quite like,
I think they're really sweet.
and there's 5 of them for
£1.75.
£1.75. And the other thing we found was this pretty cheap twine, which is good for our bottles, you know, when we
That's
large bottles.
Useful for everything.
Perfect.
I like that.
Sign making.
That large one, 250 metre, is £2.50.
Bargain.
And they do smaller ones as well, £1.50. But I like those.
So that's pretty good. Okay, we'll move on to the next. Oh, what you found? What you found?
They're a bit like, they're soft twist, you know, like a bit like those pipe cleaner
Yeah.
thingies, but they're for tying plants. I like, oh,
£1.
£1.
A bargain.
I just got a bit impressed with that there. Now this I like. This I really like. It's slightly embossed. I think you can see that.
Yeah,
But that's really pretty.
Nice shape. Isn't
Yeah,
it?
I do like that very much. £6.
Amanda feeling tight today.
As what?
Feeling tight
I
today.
am feeling tight.
£6.
Few of the hobby crafts, put it that way.
Yeah, we've gone a bit upmarket this week.
They've got quite a few of these nice little. I mean, there's that one. Just thinking of doing something, you know, moulds and not sure. That's, you see that again. That's £6. Oh, this I like. This I like very much. Yeah, I like this again. £6, but I think there's a lot I can do with that, and I already like the colours that are in there and the text. Ah, tempted, very tempted.
Okay.
Oh, I like these. I like £3.50. Oh, these are. Oh, look, that's more natural.
I like that one.
I do like. I love the pink. I'm not a pink person, but I love the pink. That over. Hot glue gun.
I like that idea.
I like that. I just. Oh, that's gonna be that.
That could work really nicely.
Pretty.
Yeah.
Really pretty. I like that. The
I'm quite tempted for
£3.50
that.
and £2.50. Well, they're various sizes. You can go from £1.80 to £5, but
And then you could just choose your colour, because look, to go with the
There's
decor
more,
of your
isn't there?
room, there's
you've got blue ones, red ones, neutral ones. This one looks more almost slightly seasidey colours.
and it would smell. And I'm thinking, looking at this one, it looks a bit bridal.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does with the neutral with the cream.
Might be a really nice wedding present to put a wedding picture in.
Yes. Now you're talking.
Homemade.
I like that.
I like that idea a lot.
That yeah.
Okay.
That's a
Let's
definite
keep
maybe.
going.
Clocks. Loving these. These are cheap as well. Come and have a look. I mean, look at that. You could have little photographs, decoupage, what have you on there. I think that's a really nice idea. £6, that's good. Oh, that's sweet. Pop the kettle on.
That's pretty cute in its own right.
It
isn't
is.
It? How much is it?
It's 14, but it's all done.
Yeah.
The big ones, have a look at the big ones, they're cheap, but have those. You know, your big
This is your.
clocks, and they're only £12.
Now, and they're, because they're pretty plastic, aren't they? But you could age them up using
Yeah,
the
you can
paint
age those
techniques
up.
and make that look
Yeah,
proper
they are
ceramic-y.
plastic.
Yeah.
But I thought, what a great price.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Look
like
at
that. Ooh, down on my knees.
Oh, look.
liking these.
Cheap lamps.
Cheap, £5 cheap. Already tested and what have you, perfect, ready to. But look, I mean, it's so plain. Decoupage on there. You could put your mouldings on. Oh God!
I have literally simply decoupaged those in the past and then sold them for 20 quid in my shop.
That's could be something that's going to be happening.
It's an instant turnover.
I am really liking
So
these.
that's a definite idea.
Ooh. Found these. Now, I was wishing they were bigger, but they are just £1. These are your terracotta, bog standard plant pots. But you could get that really lovely aged effect that we were doing with our pots. And we do have the saucers with them, which is always a good find.
80p, guys.
80p for the saucer, £1 for, so 180. I actually really like that. I like that very much.
Could be a contender.
I'm feeling a couple of projects coming on actually. Definitely. Okay, so found these are actually really good pricing.
They're big, aren't they?
They're big, they're plastic, obviously, but they're so nicely done.
Don't particularly look plastic.
No, they really are so nicely done.
How much?
Wouldn't do a thing with that. 14, 17 for something like that. Do you know, they're excellent. They really are.
And there's this huge one here.
Oh, and do you know what? Do you know what I like about this? It doesn't go down too far. It's a big
so
pot, but
planting.
yeah, keeps it light. Oh, I do like that. Very much.
Angels watching over me with smiles upon their face, 'cause I have made it through this far in an unforgiving place. It feels sometimes as if too steep for a girl like me to climb, but I must knock the slopes right down and do it in my own time. I don't care.
Well, it comes as no surprise, I think you'll find, that Paula is going to go for the frame. What size are you going to have?
I kind of want to do a wedding picky. I think I'll have the middle size.
Yeah, 250.
250, like splashing out this week. Splashing out.
But no, hot glue.
Hot glue.
That-
I've
I
already
think
got
that's gonna
hot
look really
glue.
pretty.
I just want to have a go, see how easy it is. Yeah.
Is it going in the basket?
Yeah, it's going in the basket.
I thought it might.
Just it'd be nice to have a nice smell with a frame.
Yeah, it will smell. Wow. I am torn. I'm very torn. I think, just because I like it so much, I'm going to go with this. Not quite sure which direction I'm going to
like
go
it
with,
too.
but I do like it.
Feeling it.
I'm feeling it. And torn between both the same price, this and the jug. It's just drawing me. So
Whoop, whoop. We got today's
watch this
project.
space. It's going in the basket.